In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Afterpay or Clearpay within your Stripe account. This process is straightforward and will guide you through it step by step. So by the end of these instructions, you'll be ready to offer this flexible payment option to your customers. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and head over to the Stripe website. Simply type in stripe.com in the address bar and hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll notice a sign in option at the top right corner of the home page. Give that a click and you'll be directed to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your email and password associated with your Stripe account. Just type in the required details, double check to make sure everything's correct, and then click the sign in button to access your dashboard. From your Stripe dashboard, your first stop will be the home section. This can be accessed from the navigation menu on the left. Once you're on the home page, hover over to the settings, which you'll find by looking again at the left hand side menu. It should be pretty easy to spot as Stripe typically keeps these organized for ease of use. Click on settings to enter the configuration area of your Stripe account. Here you'll find all kinds of options that allow you to customize how you use Stripe, but for today our focus will be under product settings. Within the settings menu, look for an option titled Payments. When you find it, go ahead and click to enter the Payments subsection. This is where you manage all the different payment methods you want to offer within your business. Now you're looking for a tab labeled Payment Methods. Click on it and you'll see a list of all possible payment methods you can integrate into your Stripe setup. Scroll through this list until you see Afterpay, which may also be listed as Clearpay depending on your region. It's important to understand that Afterpay is a popular buy now, pay later service that allows your customers to pay for their purchases in installments, which can be tremendously beneficial in boosting your sales by offering more flexibility. Once you've found Afterpay on the list, there's usually a toggle option that you need to enable, ensuring that Afterpay is active for your transactions. And just like that, you're done. Afterpay is now enabled in your Stripe account. This simple addition can make a big difference in accommodating the evolving preferences of your customer base. That's all there is to it. Thanks for following along, and remember, update